Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the Fedora Design Suite desktop. So this is the login screen. So it is a typical login screen of Fedora workstation, or you can say Fedora ISO or Fedora distro. These are the accessibility features available. This is the network manager, the volume control, and the power menu is there. And in the middle you have got the login screen. At the bottom right you have got the session. So Fedora Designer Suite use the GNOME desktop. You have got three sessions: GNOME Classic, GNOME on Xorg, and GNOME. So we are going to use Wayland because Wayland works very good in Fedora and Debian. So let us log in with our super secret password. So on the first boot you will have to configure the user, because whenever you install Fedora, Fedora will not configure the user during the installation. So user will always be configured after the installation is complete on first boot. So that is the default can say default action of Fedora installer, but of course you can do the configuration of user before also if you want, but default is to configure the user after the first boot. So the wallpaper, you can see it is same like it was there in this Fedora Jam also, and in Fedora Workstation also. For the version 40, this is the wallpaper. I like the wallpaper. It's very subtle and very good looking wallpaper. You can see here the bottom dash is there, so it contains the Firefox, the GNOME calendar, the GNOME file manager, software is there. You got the text editor, and we can see some more applications. So Audacity is there. So if you want to do audio recording, you can use Audacity. GNOME weather, clocks, GNOME maps, Blender is there for your 3D animation. You got a color picker. So color picker is very important when you are designing any interface, or if you want to design any visual, say for example any interface. So you can select the right color using the color picker. Videos, this is GNOME videos, calculator, Darktable is there. This document scanner, the GNOME settings, GNOME system monitor is there. Let us check out the system monitor. So you can see 1.9 GB of memory is being used. Zero swap is used. Let us check out the file system. So the root file system, 34% of the root file system has been already used. So 12.4 GB. So because of the different applications, special applications are installed, the size of the installed system is 12.4 GB. It is quite large, heavy. You can see this is the all processes that are running inside the system. The GNOME software itself is running in the background and consuming around 315 MB. So that is the largest user of memory, RAM, and GNOME shell is the next one. So it is standard for a GNOME desktop. Further, let us check out. So you got document scanner, terminal is there. Then there is a design suite info that we will check out. What is there in the design suite info? Let it open up. And these are the GNOME utilities. So all standard GNOME utilities are there. Document viewer, gdisk is there, disk usage analyzer, connections, backups. So this is Deja Dupe backup, GNOME logs, characters, fonts, problem reporting, or the ABRT tool of Fedora. So that is also available. Now let us check out what is that. So the design, so it opens the wiki page for the design suite, and you can check out and have more information about the Fedora design suite. So audio video group, you can check this out. Everything is in detail. You can see it here. So for using the this Audacity and Pitvi, you have to have the knowledge of the audio video group. So how to configure the audio video group for the multi-track audio and video editor, that is Audacity and Pitvi. So if you click on this, because you have to add your user to the audio video group. So that is how it is given. So, and these two applications belong to this group of applications, that is audio and videos. So that is given here, and you must know, or you must know how to add your user to the audio and video group. But this is, I think, done by default automatically by the installer. When you install the Fedora Design Suite or Fedora Jam, all this configuration, system configuration for the real-time priorities and adding the user to the audio video group is done by default. So you need not do anything. Everything is done automatically, just like in Ubuntu Studio. You can check this out later on. So many details are given, and even updates to the different applications, which is the latest application that is running. Everything is given here. You can check this out. So I will now close this. Now let us go over and check out more applications. So diagram editor, so you can create diagrams and edit them. Cheese is there. Entangle, I have shown you. Entangle is used to access the photos that have been clicked by a webcam or your mobile, and then you can manage them. Fedora Media Writer is your USB writing tool. FontForge is there. What is this? Gmic Qt. Let us check out. Further, let us go ahead while it opens up. The GNU image, that is GIMP, is there. So GIMP is a photo editor, very we can say very future rich photo editor. It can compete with many of the proprietary, or we can say commercial software available for photo editing. This is the again batch processing. So you can do the batch processing of photos. You can calibrate the photo images using the calibrate lens, and the Huggin panorama creator. You can stitch different photos together to create a panorama photo or panorama image. Inkscape is there. It is 3D vector software. It is used by the you can say graphic designers. Krita is there for the graphic designers. The LibreOffice suite is there. PDF arranger is there. List of design tutorials that we will check later. Pitvi is there. Pomodoro is there. Rhythmbox, Scribus, Shotwell, Synfig Studio is there. To do, Tour, Journal plus is there, and the ZArt is there. So let us check out the list of design tutorials. Okay. So you can use this to gain more knowledge how to use the different softwares, softwares like Inkscape, then the LibreArts, cheaper video channel. So links to many of the tutorials are given here. Scribus video tutorials are there. 3D modeling, how to do 3D modeling using Blender. Animation, video editing, how to do that. You can also do video editing with Blender also. Printing, you can use how to set up the CMYK color on the on a design for printing. So lot many different tutorials links are given here. Do read them. What is this? Let us check this out. Looks let me check. So it is also some kind of software for doing the image edition. You can see it here, 3D to 2D or 3D image edition. So we are not going much in detail. Let me check out the settings. What is there? Yes, it is something for the images. So you can do the image edition using this. Okay. I'm not much into image edition. I only do video production. So I have got some knowledge about video production like OBS Studio. I have used Pitvi. I have used OpenShot. I have used Voco Screen NG for recording the screen. I have used Clipchamp in Microsoft to do video editing. I use DaVinci Resolve a little bit. So I only know about few softwares, not everything, but I'm just trying to learn myself and share my knowledge with you. Whatever I learn, I create a video, and I just show you the direction in which you have to go, so you can discover everything for yourself, learn everything for yourself. Now, what is this Pomodoro? I think we have checked. I don't remember in one of the videos. Check. So it is some kind of timer. Let us see. Is this a simple time management utility? So you can use this to manage your time while you are doing edition work, creation work on the Fedora design suite. Anything else is there? Let us see. Synfig Studio. I have shown you in some of the videos, earlier videos. We will check it out again. So let it open up. It will take some time because this is the first time we are going to open on this system. Pitvi, I will just show you the Pitvi. So this is the Synfig Studio. So it is 2D vector animation studio. So you can use this for 2D images. Now let the Pitvi open. So meanwhile, what we can do is let us open the terminal. Let us check. Okay, so Pitvi has opened up. So you can start with Pitvi. It is a beautiful, powerful, intuitive movie editor. So the main screen is very simple. Nothing is there. It's a blank. You have to just open or create a new project. So I will now, yes. So once you create a new project, the editor screen opens up. You can see here, this will display the video. Here you will do all the edition. So tracks will be displayed here. The video running or video under edition will be shown here. And there are support for the different layers of the video. You can also import, export the media library. There will be effect library also. So here you can see different analysis and different effects are there. Audio effects, color effects, compositing effects, filters, everything is there. So it is very powerful video editor. You can use that. I have not used this completely. I just use this for few of my videos. I mostly do my edition on Clipchamp or some other videos editors. Okay, so I will close this. Now let us check out the yes. First we will check out the kernel. What is the available kernel here? You name A. So it will show all the kernels. So the kernel 6.9.9. So latest kernel is available. It is a symmetric multiprocessing preempt dynamic kernel. So it is a general kernel, but it will be quite responsive. It will have low latency because the newer kernels are quite having quite low latency. So you may not need low latency kernel or a real-time kernel. Now let us check out the system limits that have been set. U limit A. So here you can see the real-time non-blocking time unlimited, core file size is unlimited, scheduling priority unlimited, it is 0. Yes. Data segmentation size is unlimited, pending signal unlimited 154470, file size is unlimited, max memory size is unlimited, max lock memory is 8192, open files 1024, pipe size is 8, POSIX message queues 819200, real-time priority is 0, stack size is 8192, max user processes is 15470, CPU time is unlimited, virtual memory unlimited. So it is quite can say quite real-time system. Further we can check from here also. I will just show you another way. So this is this system is already configured for a low latency and responsive system. So it is for the design purposes, video production purposes. So what we can do is we have to open the system, go to the etc tab, then you have to search for the limits, open the limits. You can see here, I will just show you. Okay, so here you can see the Pipewire is being used. So they have shifted from Pulse Audio to Pipewire. Since last I think 2 or 3 versions they are already using Pipewire. So the priority for the audio is 70. So below 90 it is on high priority. Pipewire, nice. So these are the settings for the kernel. It is -19. So it is just like any other Linux distribution for video and audio production. So nice 19 is used by many of the Linux distributions, specifically meant for audio and video production. Pipewire memory lock is 4194304. Now you have to check this jack configuration. Here also you see the jack user has given given the priority of 70. Jack user memory lock, it is same as the limits you have seen here. Pulse RT, so here 20 Pulse RT. So if you are using Pulse Audio, so if the bridge is there between Pulse Audio and Pipewire, then that bridge will use 20 and nice will be -20. So the system is already having real-time configuration done. You have to do nothing. You have to just install this system and start using. So that's it. We have completed the thorough review of Fedora design suite. You can install it. You can use it directly. You have to do no configuration. And other best part is it is having the latest kernels. So kernel 6.9.9 is available, and every 6 months you will get a new update. So new release will be there, and your system will keep on getting updated by itself. So everything latest technology, latest innovations in Linux domain will be available for you via Fedora design suite, and you will be able to continue your work. You need not reinstall the desktop. You need not do reinstall of the system settings, because everything is done and it is a rolling distribution. So you can just keep working. And Fedora I have used for many years. I think I have used for around 2 years. In 2019 up to I think 2021 start, I had used Fedora only, and to the best of my knowledge, it is very stable. It does not bog down, and you can continue with your work. You can be sure that your files, your work will not get lost. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, where we will check out some other spin or lab of Fedora. Bye bye.